Hi, I'm Dr. Opdahl. Let me share with you the two most effective ways to get out of pain from spinal arthritis. After working on hundreds and thousands of patients, we found that if you combine chiropractic with a biophysics traction, which is just a fancy word for a specialized form of traction, these two therapies in conjunction give exponential results. The chiropractic adjustment side helps to those discs that are bulging or herniated. What it does is it gets them to move properly and decompress the joint, or make the joint move the way it's supposed to move, increase its mobility. The other thing that it does is it helps with the facet joints. Now these are little joints next to the disc, and when they're hurt or when they're jammed, that's what's causing a lot of the pain and the muscle spasms and problems. So the chiropractic manipulation will realign those joints to get them to glide properly against each other, and it gives almost immediate relief. The third thing that's happening with spinal arthritis is the pinched nerve, or when the scar tissue or the disc or the facets are irritating the nerve. And by aligning it again properly, getting it to move properly, you take the pressure off the nerve and you get fast relief. Now, the biophysics traction, what that does is it tends to have a much better long-term effect because it does a couple of different things. The first thing it does is it gets that disc to become more flexible. The disc is a very strong structure, and as you get it to, as you stretch it the right way, it gets stronger and more flexible and stronger and more flexible. Also, the supporting ligaments around the disc. When you have a lot of spinal arthritis, you have a lot of scar tissue buildup around these ligaments. And what the traction does, the biophysics traction, will toughen those ligaments. It'll make them stronger. They can do their job. And the last thing it does is it loosens up all that scar tissue, and it prevents your body from putting more scar tissue down. And the scar tissue is what's pinching the nerve. The scar tissue is what's causing the achiness and the lack of mobility. So when you use those two together, chiropractic getting the joint to move properly, aligning everything properly, with the traction, which is making the disc more flexible, making the ligaments stronger, and preventing the buildup of scar tissue, what you get is immediate pain relief. You also get a lot of the spasms and tightness in the muscle goes away very quickly. And also, if you have numbness or tingling because the nerve is pinched, it tends to relieve that very fast as well. But most importantly is it creates a very long-term solution. This isn't a quick fix. This is a quick fix with the proper way to fix the problem long-term. So that's why I use it on so many patients and get great results. If you have this kind of a problem, this is the best way to fix it. So give me a call, 360-666-6001.